This is your MOS Cert teacher showing you how to use to complete a training assignment in sam.cengage.com. So we're going to start with assignment 1, which is out of our illustrated textbook, module 1. This is our first training assignment. I'm going to click start. And then I'm going to take this full screen. You're always better off working in full screen, so you're going to hit that maximize button at the top of your screen. You'll notice that there's over here on the upper left corner, it says task 1 of 61. Yes, there are 61 tasks. Some of them you have done before, some of them you probably have never done before. So I encourage you to really try to understand the ones that you need to. Trainings are in a simulated environment, and often it won't let you make a mistake. It wants you to do it the way it wants you to do it, and it's going to show you that. You can watch the observe, you will do the practice, and you have to do the apply to progress to the next task. I don't encourage observe unless you're really a visual learner. In practice, you'll get to do the same thing. You'll just be doing the clicks. Observe also moves rather slow. So let's go ahead and we'll just do the practice for this first task. We've got to click that triangle to practice.
When you want to start working in documents, create a new blank document. Click the Files tab on the ribbon. Backspace says commands for looking at files. Click New. Click Blank Document. A new blank document opens.
So now that we've completed the practice, we have to complete the apply to move to the next task. You don't have to listen to the audio on the practice. If you noticed, she was just reading exactly what was in the yellow boxes. So if you read faster than she does and you would prefer to move at your own pace, a little slightly faster pace than the audio provides, you can mute your computer and you can, once you've read the box, if you click it, it will move you to the next step. So I'm going to go into the apply. Notice here it doesn't give me any instructions other than I need to create a new blank document. That's in the bottom right of my screen. But I remember what she just taught me. I'm going to go to the File menu. I'm going to click New, and I'm going to click Blank Document. When I've done it successfully, it tells me task complete, and it moves me to task 2. So I'm just going to go through and do task 2 as well.
Display horizontal and vertical rules to help you position content, exit tabs, indents, and margins. Click the View tab. In the Show group, click. The horizontal ruler appears at the top of the document below the ribbon, and the vertical ruler appears on the left side of the document.
Notice that when I clicked, I kind of cut her off, so I didn't have to listen. I knew what she was going to ask me to do. Now I must complete the apply. It wants me to go to the View menu, and in the Show command group, these are called command groups, we're going to just check the ruler. You can see that very quickly that the horizontal and the vertical rulers showed up. I'm now on task 3. I'm not going to go through all 61 tasks with you, but I think you get the idea. If you read the task, it says the next task is going to be enter text. If I know how to enter text, I can go straight to apply. It tells me down here, type project plan at the insertion point. The insertion point is that flashing bar. I'm going to type the words project plan right there. I need to make sure that I follow the case and I spell it as it's got. I'm going to put a space after that. Actually, you know what? It doesn't want me to do that. It wants me to hit enter after that. And now it accepted it. Now I'm on task 4. So again, if you are reading a task, select text, and you know how to do it, you can go straight to apply. If you need help with it, you can do the practice. And if you're a visual person and prefer to do the observe first, you can go that route as well. When you are finished, once you get to all 61 tasks, it will automatically turn it in for you. If you don't finish all 61 tasks and you want to come back to it later, you need to hit this green submit button up here. That way your teacher can see your progress. It tells you you still have tasks to do. Do you still want to submit it? I'm going to say okay. It tells me I've done 3 of 61 tasks. And at this point, I'm just going to close this. I can come back to it later. Notice in SAM, it tells me it's in progress. I can open that back up and hit start. And notice it's going to take me where I last left off once it loads. I'm going to close that back up and I'm going to try again. There we go. So I'm on task 4 of 61. So go ahead and complete all 61 tasks. Make sure that you hit that green submit button, and good luck with that.